Hi, my name is Yo-Yo Bear, and I want to be showing you some really good hacks. And as you can see here, at the end of this video, your Robux should be going up like that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to a free page, and you have to be on Chrome. So let's look up Tamper Monkey. Alright, so once you go to Tamper Monkey, you want to press Tamper Monkey. Oh, what did it just do to me? Okay, let's go back. No, it won't let me? Okay. Sorry about that. Let's just do it again. Tamper Monkey. The first thing you want to do is go to Tamper Monkey Chrome Web Store. So once you click that, you want to, don't click that one. You have to type in Tamper Monkey again. You're going to want to download and install Tamper Monkey, the first one right here with the spray bottle. Once you download it and stuff, it should show up here, and you should be able to get some scripts and load them onto your page. By the way, this does work for any computer. Mac has no problem downloading it. It has no viruses. I've never gotten anything from it. So let's start by typing in to load scripts to Roblox, you're gonna have to type in Greasy Fork. Okay, that's not what I want to. Let's type in Greasy Fork. Alright, so let's type in here. Did it really just do that? Okay. Greasy Fork. So now you want to type in, again, no, you didn't actually write this, so just type in free Robux. You want to click my first script, free Robux. Oh, and also don't mind this face. Okay, okay, don't mind my other one, facial challenge 123 YT. It's one of my old ones, my old YouTube accounts. I deleted it because I hated my name. Plus, so yeah, just ignore that. Well, my YouTube name is different. So anyway, you want to just press install. Once you install it right here, just press the install button. It should have reinstalled. Go to Tamper Monkey. It will not be there. So you have to go to Roblox. So Roblox. Now once you're here, I'm going to completely turn off this script. I'm going to reload the page. Alright, so when you get here, there should be one script, and it's this one. So after you do that, you wanna press this script. No, not yet actually. I'm gonna disable this and reload. So after you do that, we're gonna go to Robux. You wanna go to anything, it doesn't matter. You wanna press, you can do any of these and just press it. Press enable, and press this, reload, and boom, get Robux. Now your Robux should be loading rapidly, and you have to wait till it gets to 100,000, otherwise it won't work. So, I mean, you can load everywhere, but like, it won't let you buy anything until it stops at 100,000. I'm only at 30,000. So, yeah. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come on, let me see.
Alright. So, that completes the YouTube video, and I hope you enjoyed.
Alright, come on, we gotta go.
Okay.